Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to edit your payment method on Paramount Plus in 2025. Whether you're switching credit cards, updating billing info, or just wanting to stay on top of your subscriptions, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Paramount Plus has made some updates for 2025 to enhance security and user experience, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Paramount Plus account. Open the app on your device or head to the website at paramountplus.com. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This is usually a picture or your initials. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings or Subscription Details. It's that simple. Now, scroll down until you find the Payment Methods section. Here, you'll see your current payment info listed. To edit it, click on the Edit or Manage button next to your payment details. Paramount Plus might prompt you to verify your identity for security reasons, especially with the 2025 updates, so have your password or a two-factor authentication code ready. Next, you'll be able to add a new payment method. Enter your updated credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups, nothing worse than a payment error mid-binge. Once you're done, hit Save or Update. Paramount Plus will process the change instantly, and you'll get a confirmation email to your registered address. A quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your payment method is valid and not expired. Also, for 2025, Paramount Plus has introduced more options like Apple Pay or Google Pay, so explore those if they're available in your region. There you have it. That's how you edit your payment method on Paramount Plus in 2025. It's straightforward and takes less than 5 minutes. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.